What's up guys, so this video is a little bit different. I'm not going like the cheap route, but I'm going with the S Factor front splitter and side splitter because I did recently bought the side splitter and the little front center lip off eBay. It was probably around $100 in total, but I got the front splitter, side splitter, and the center lip, so about $580 around there with tax. So let's see how it is compared to the eBay one. So let's open this up and take a look. Open it up. It is kind of bent a little bit. I don't know how it will look. Let's see, it's a little bent here. Kind of bent a little for the splitter here. You can see it. It's bent right here, but I think I could use heat and it should bend back. But that's this front splitter, and then oh my god, these are the side splitter. They're bent pretty bad as well. So wavy. Almost like an S shape. Just some hardware stuff. This is the only one that's flat and nice. I like that it's not really that heavy. Pretty well made. It's wrapped in carbon fiber. Okay, so just really quickly, I've already added some double-sided tape under the side skirt here, and I'm just lining it up to where I want it, and then I will put in the self-tapper screw through the hole, and that should be it for the side splitter. Okay, so I have this S Factor lip on here and on the splitter. So the center piece is this carbon fiber one, and then the splitter is this one. I'm just gonna peel it off after I do the install. So right now what I've got is putting these on together so it doesn't move around on me, and then when you put it to the ground like that, it doesn't go past the bumper, so it's lined up pretty good. And the only other thing is I just gotta make sure the corners are good. So this looks good to me, and I just have to center it. So let's see, I had it like this, and then I marked the holes here so I could drill it and then put it through. Okay, so I got her on. It's pretty even all around. I still have to take off this white plastic covering. But let me show you this here. I am almost done. So I actually didn't need to cut these, just because when I actually put everything on, I actually needed all that spacing to clear so it doesn't like rub up too much against that center lip there with the underbody spoiler here. And then for this side, I just took off the screw and then just drilled the hole right straight through there. So that's even on this side and this side. So that's how I center mine. But I am probably gonna put a nut right down there to cinch the center lip together with the splitter. I won't be able to do it on these ones, but I just want to put it on these because I want to cinch it down together, because you can see there's a little space here. Other than that, after that, then I will just put like a self-tapper screw onto the end here, just to drill it up onto the bumper, and that should be pretty much it. So I'm gonna take all these off and then reinstall them. Okay, so I got it all on there. So this is what it looks like on the inside. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So for these middle nuts and bolts, since I don't have Loctite, they recommend putting on Loctite, but I don't have them, so I'm just gonna put an extra nut on the back of it, turn the opposite way, and hopefully it doesn't back out on me. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it on like this. Hopefully it's harder to back out, and we shall see. Cause yeah, you don't want to over tighten these, cause you could tighten these down pretty good, but then it's gonna warp your splitter. So I don't want to over tighten it, so I'm just gonna put these nuts on it, these extra nuts. So I'm just gonna go get 2 more, put it on here just for the middle part, just so if anything ever happens, at least these will hold up, and this will hold up the majority of the weight. And then also the taps. 1 tap there and right here. One thing, this metal centerpiece, it goes up behind this plastic part, which kind of blocks the hole for these to go through, so I just took it off. If you want, you could put it back on. It's piano black now, so it looks really nice. This is how it looks, and this is how kind of top looks like. That's pretty nice. And these are the spacers down there. So yeah, if you tighten these too much, you start warping. It's warping a little bit on this side because I had to actually tap that pretty close so it stays up on there. But yeah, I just gotta go install this and see how it looks on the car.